Welcome back to another look into nature. This mute swan just lost her mate. Unlike most birds, swans experience grief in losing their partners, which comes in 5 stages. The first stage is denial. She does not believe that her mate is dead yet. She seeks empty comfort in a white pillow. She's on to stage 2, anger. She bargains to the swan god for her mate back. Depression sets in. Her mind is overwhelmed and numb with sadness. At last, she accepts her mate's leaving, singing a final song for her lost love. Oh, how unfortunate. She has died of a broken heart. Nature is truly beautiful.